Hey guys, Asslamualikum, hello, hi, and welcome back to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. And as I promised last time, I'm going to share a special news with you all, I said. So here you go, watch this video until the end and you will understand what was I talking about. Thank you guys. Keep watching.
From Mr. Vivek, we're just going to announce the fourth runner-up and third runner-up goes to Madame Firdaus Norain. She was fourth runner-up and Firdaus Norain was third runner-up as well. So we'd just like to award her electronically, via Mr. Vivek's telephone.
Well done. Thank you.
And we will send this in via courier or something. So we'll get the access to the back of the truck.
Sure.
Yes, that's a good man. So third runner-up, unfortunately stuck up in Oman. So nice little cash prize again, a knife and another book for Madam Firdaus Norain. If Chef or Chicken Randy, if you can stand and pretend to do something official. This is third runner-up, Chef. Miss Firdaus Norain from Oman.
And the winner also.
She's over in Oman and she's stuck there, so unfortunately we can't have her on stage, but we will do our virtual presentation once again as requested by Chef. So 2000 cash knife book trophy, lovely photograph of Mr. Bassam and Chef. The winner of the amateur videos for this season goes to Madame Firdaus Norain from Oman. Bravo! Excellent. She's not here, Mr. Bassam, we'll pretend.
Congratulations, Firdaus.
So there you go, I won 5 books. And all the five books are signed by Chef Uwe. All his wonderful recipes are in there. How lucky am I? And I also get a trophy from the USA Poultry Egg Export Council, as well as I get 4 knives. I was wanting 1, but I got 4. And also I get cash prize. I'm not going to say how much, but yes, a good amount of cash prize, and also a apron by Anybody Can Cook contest. So guys, that's it. This is what I wanted to share with you all. This is what I won at Emirates Culinary Guild, and I want you all to always support me like this. And please stay tuned with Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. There's still lots more to come, and I'm going to share the recipes which I had won at Emirates Culinary Guild. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.